Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix FIFA Mobile 23 login errors. So let me show you here guys. So guys, if you are facing the error, we are sorry, but there has been an error connecting to FIFA 23 Ultimate Team. You will be returned to the FIFA 23 main menu. If you are facing the error, try to open FIFA 23. Then I'll show you how can you open it without this error. So first of all, you have to go back from here. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open App Store, Play Store, and just simply you have to check for update, if any update available here or not. If update available, just simply you have to update your app and then check whether the form has been fixed or not. And if the phone is there guys, then you have to open settings and just simply you have to tap on Wi-Fi if you are using Wi-Fi. Just simply you have to turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on again, and you have to forget your network and try to rejoin it, and if possible try another one and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if form says there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open control center and then you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 2 or 3 minutes and then turn it off, and then you have to wait some seconds from here and then try to open it again and check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to delete your app from your phone, and just simply you have to restart your device and then reinstall the app and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And once it's there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Google Chrome here. And now from here guys, just simply you have to search for down detector FIFA 23. So once you tap on this guys, just simply have to tap on first link guys. So wait some second from here guys, and just simply you have to locate for if FIFA problem is available. You can see here guys, many people are reporting the problem from here. So guys, so its source is down now, so you have to wait some hours till the FIFA team will fix your problem. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.